Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's topic is going to be on swapping two numbers without using third variable. So by the end of the video, you will learn how to write a Python program to swap two numbers without using third variable. It's only the mathematical logic that I'll be teaching you. Fine. So coming here, my previous video was I taught how to swap two numbers using third variable. Okay, just go visit that video so that it will be very easy for you to understand this particular program. Okay, now I need two numbers, right? I need to interchange the values of two numbers. So I need to read input from the user for two different numbers. So let me use variable A to hold the first number, right? What is the sentence? In order to read input from the user dynamically, it is the input keyword, input within double quotes. Enter the value of A, okay, equal to. Okay, now after the statement, whatever value we enter, it will be read as a string. But since we have to perform the actual mathematical calculation, right, we need to know the literal meaning of the integer value. So we need to typecast, which means we need to convert the input that is read into string, okay, into integer. So you have to prefix the entire statement with int. So this is the syntax when you're performing any calculation. When you want to perform any calculation using mathematical operators, this is the actual syntax. Okay. Next, I need to read the second value. B is equal to int, again int, input, enter the value of B, right? Okay, now these two statements will help in reading the values, two different values from the user. Fine. Now see the mathematical logic in order to swap two numbers without using third variable, right? And I need to make use of only these two variables and interchange the value of A to B and B to A. So how do we actually do that? Okay, now see the logic here. A, I'm changing the value A to A plus B. Okay, then B is equal to A minus B. Fine. Then A is equal to A minus B. These three lines are very important. Line number 5, 6, 7. Fine. So these three lines are actually used in order to swap two numbers without using third variable. Now let me trace the actual code here. Fine. Now see, for example, during runtime, I'll just comment the lines. I'm tracing the code here. Please observe. Okay, the first line number 2, when it is executed, okay, suppose we have entered A value as 20 during the runtime, then B value as 10. Okay, A value 20, B value 10. Fine. Line number 5, after line number 2 and 3 execution, line number 5, A will have what? There's some arithmetic operations that is performed. What is that? A plus B, addition operator. So what is the value of A? 20 plus 10. Since because of this calculation only, we have to convert the value that is read as string into integer, right? Okay. Now what is the actual value of A here? A is equal to 30. After line number 5, after execution of line number 5, A value will be 30, right? Now come here. What is line number 6? B. I'm changing the value of B. B is equal to, it is current value of A minus B, value of B, right? What is value of A? Line number 5, we have changed the actual value of A. Initially value of A was 20. After line number 5 execution, A value has become 30. So it will be 30 minus, what is the value of B now? It is 10 because we haven't changed the value here. Okay. What is the value of B now? It is 30 minus 10. So it is 20. Now what is 20? It is the actual value of A, right? Okay, now come to the next line, line number 7. When line number 7 is executed, I am changing the value of A. What is A? A is equal to A minus B, right? What is actual value of A? Current value of A. Line number 6, I'm changing only value of B. What is line number 7? It is value of A. I'm trying to update the value of A. Now what is current value of A? It is 30, right? So 30 minus, what is current value of B after line number 6? Initially value of B was 10. After line number 6, value of B has been changed to 20. So now when line number 7 is getting executed, value of B will be 20, right? So it is 30 minus 20. What is the value of A now? 30 minus 20 is 10. You observed? After line number 6 and 7, value of B is 20, value of A is equal to 10. So let me print value of A after swap is equal to, comma, with double quotes, string, comma, A, right? Then print value of B after swap is equal to comma B. That's it. So the entire Python program is over. Now what will be the output here? Output value of A after swap. What is the value of A? It is 10. So it will be 10. A value is equal to 10. Okay. So the last line output will be value of B is equal to 20. Okay. This is the actual trace of the program. So let me check the output. Let us run the program. Enter the value of A. What did I give? 20, right? Let me give 20. It was just my assumption in my program and I traced. So 20. What is value of B? It's asking again. So I'll give 10. Okay. Press enter. Check the output. See here. Value of A after swap is equal to 10. Value of B after swap is equal to 20. 20 and 10, 10 and 20. So the values are changed. So this is the actual logic. Line number 5, 6, 7 is the actual logic for swapping two numbers without using temporary variable. This is the actual mathematical logic. Okay. So I hope students you understood the logic. Thank you.